who say o share structure we are so share the deeper
Akoma FM 87.
And the other side no. There's another we are behind the other side. And you far from a kwahu. Isi kwahu. Me sure pa say wa woni be boss bia no a. Say wo obi a wo sa engineering background kakra. Obeti ase. Na okay.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yes. Mamin Kominia Tofik Abdurrahman Eho or a media general reporter. Is here I say o seen ho anopay. On the call ho monitor BBC and anopay. Tian kono ho na on monitor from my the course one kasa. Tofik, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Na apomboko there.
Pacho biaboko.
Anra rahuse mesi wo Accra New Town ema edan ibu ye ne ade wona wadi akire from enra no abeka sabere ayedi ho
Akoma FM
time incident ni see any de wo call ye so ko hu ye ene de watibia about that building no a collapse enra no dia na betimi aka kire ne yetiefo anopen.
Okay, so from our representative, yes, the written say now we are a member of 30. Will stay behind after church. Now per se, we are meeting. Now more around 23 of them. Now more sorry more. Around 3:30 getting to 4 on and a building collapse here.
Akoma FM 87.9.
23 of them are inside. So far, after the whole process of say being microphone, 20 of them, since now like 20 of them but yeah, safe. But yes. 3 of them, one of them a pastor, including 2 other ladies. So like
pastor no, sorry no pastor no, I can't.
Yes, I. So far, a police for any madam for any for any fire sensor or no secure place. Let me make sure say we'll be on call. With regards to students of the school, so say MC honorable of SC on my students because I think some more buildings there's a 3-1 or say like a master student school.
Okay, and just baby, I didn't say environment and Quadano, and that's why I go school.
Yeah, I think it's school experimental 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, one of building now, I think it's a
87.9.
That same building now, because MC Nika say the not building them safe, but you mean the reason why I'm going to
wow. But some way sorry or that. A one way sorry no.
That be only some way sorry about meeting.
Oh, okay. They are sorry no around. We are sorry no school holiday, but yes, I
yeah, school, but only now some meeting. I know I think some chair. It's around 3:30 getting to 4 now. See.
We are where for how long? That building normal abandoned.
So, that building from the nothing say. If we the previous government now say. Previous government no break building down or more like refurbishing banner or more into the current government nearby no MC Nika say them I want say now be use that building because under the motion now looking for
87.9
but I think say we mean the reason why you go for eco use that building or that you admit Nika
Yes, wontimi nka no kre. Aban school oh.
Yeah, government school. Yeah,
there's a project in here Aban funded.
Aban funded.
Nti
Aban funded.
And rana mati minya information say get fund project.
And indeed, according to NC, I say get fund for a bar, even a bar in school. That was a week ago. And I'm saying so the man won himself. Now be used to start with him. And I end up saying
87.9 Kumasi.
Wow. Enti Friday yane Alex Kenati akasa o say nipa 23 said they will can confirm say nipa 23 na omo yimiensa e de omo na mienu e hospital se sia ya omo e hwe wo mo enti no omo na maka no say it means na omo do so sin asori na nkasa de membership no e do so sin 23 no.
Yeah, membership no do so sin 23 but I think it didn't stay behind the meeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Wow, I see. Enti sisi ayeka say officially statement be free assembly hall MI officially say yes.
So far statement being free home by Interior Minister Honorable Muntaka on the NPG media mendra and on my information say although making sure say no school activities behind course. Yes, for the meantime, or maybe say or more gather information and investigation. So we are now the mama public now in like ANC for the meantime.
Okay. And you know, and on the only project I almost and I say other project with school and also no.
Currently school now at I say na like establishing new buildings for school.
Okay.
So now we see school number. Yeah, and see that building now person some because now person would demolish now we see for because the initial structure of the building now is very very bad.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Because pillars of that means the initial state of building, but pillars now
pictures
they were quite terrible. Yeah.
Pillars na me be kan ho asem ground pillars na dum say ahode bi anim just watch this one any na die Facebook page o hwa ahode bi anim enti that report say since 2012-2013 and abandon this project but on betimi confirm ya my say that confirmation say since somewhere 2013 and project
information that building SRT around His Excellency former President John Ivan Satanos the time. It's I think almost for whatever is meeting can the usual bid match so that center young complete here. Now move banding building. By the way, sure say the Nkofona na almost building. Sure say man ka almost say building no secure.
Akoma 87.9 Kumasi.
Right. Tofik, me sure say when you be the actually bibia ho na also the man ya na wa me why?
Okay.
All right. Me that see. Me nia Tofik na wotin in Kano. Media general reporter. And Otin Kano now Ghana National Fire Service this update their minds see no so ababi drew her let's